Hi everyone, my name is Simone Alessandria. Welcome to my course Flutter, Getting Started. I'm an author, trainer and developer at softwarehouse.it in Italy. If you have ever developed mobile apps, you know that sometimes the process may get long and frustrating. Flutter is Google's answer to that. It's a new, simple framework to make cross-platform native apps fast. It's not the first of its kind, but Flutter has all it takes to make you create great apps in a short time, even having fun. In this course, I'll share with you my experience with Flutter, covering the basics you need to get up and running with this new, exciting framework. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how to build your first Hello World app, designing engaging user interfaces with Flutter, interacting with your users, using gestures and animations, and creating a database app. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use Flutter for your next great app. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with object-oriented programming. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Flutter with the Flutter Getting Started course, here at Pluralsight.